forces arrest 11 individuals. 10 of them insurgents seize firearms, ammunition, explosives and recover stolen vehicles in multiple operations. CM N. Biren reaffirms commitment to empowering local farmers by distributing seeds and saplings for seasonal crops, driving Atmanirbhar Manipur initiative. MP Bimola Koizam criticizes President's speech for ignoring Manipur crisis, accuses government of arrogance and failing to embrace inclusive politics. Minister Govindas announces that the Imphal Ring Road project has officially begun, marking a major milestone for Manipur's infrastructure. Hello, this is Nishita Iringbam and you're watching ISCOM Prime News for this hour. Now let's see the news in details. In a series of successful operations, Manipur police and security forces have arrested several active members of insurgent groups and individuals involved in extortion activities across various districts. In one such operations, the Manipur police apprehended 5 active members of the KCP City Meitei from Mantripukri, Thakurbari and the Haingang Police Station, Imphal East District. The arrested individuals have been identified as Laishram Bulu Singh as 26 years, R.K. Nelson as 19 years, Larry Lakpam Thoiba Singh as 27 years, Kanguzam Java Singh as 28 years, and Boyamayum Javeri Khan as 19 years. Authorities recovered a 9mm pistol with a loaded magazine containing 11 live rounds, 236 HE hand grenades, 3 mobile phones, a sling bag, a sum of 5,700 rupees, and a 4-wheeler from their possession. Additionally, a member of the Pre-Park Pro Sinam Yaima Maite, alias Chingakpa, as 45 years, was arrested from Yaripok Bazaar under Yaripok Police Station, Thawbal District. From him, police seized 1 mobile phone and 1 4-wheeler. Meanwhile, security forces arrested Khangembam Bipin Singh, as 50 years, an active cadre of KCP MC Progressive from Singzamai Thokchom Laikai under Singzamai Police Station, Imphal West District. Bipin Singh, who was involved in extortion activities, had in his possession a 2-wheeler, a mobile phone and a 4-wheeler. In another operation, Manipur police arrested Fairoizam Thoiba Singh, alias Chalamba, as 23 years, an active member of the UPPK from Irengban, Hawaii area under Kakching Police Station, Kakching District. Singh is implicated in extortion activities in Kakching, Thawbal and Imphal West districts. Authorities recovered 1 mobile phone, 1 4-wheeler, a wallet, Aadhaar card, PAN card and voter ID card from his possession. Further arrests were made by security forces as they apprehended Mayengbam Joy Chandra Singh, alias Boynau, as 24 years, an active cadre of KYKL from Wabagai Bazaar area under Hyanglam Police Station, Kakching District. Joy Chandra Singh, involved in extorting the general public in Kakching, Thawbal and Imphal West districts, was found with 2 mobile phones and a 4-wheeler. At Khuyathong crossing near the crematorium at the City Police Station, Imphal West District, Manipur police arrested Telhaiba Ningombam, as 31 years, alias Kane. A 9mm pistol loaded with 4 live rounds, a mobile phone, an Aadhaar card, and a 4-wheeler were recovered from his possession. Finally, based on intelligence about extortion activities in Ningthaukhong, a combined team of Bisnupur District Police, CRPF, and local authorities conducted a search operation at Ningthaukhong, Ward number 1 and 13. During the search, a suspect identified as Pukrambam Prem Singh, as 47 years, from Ningthaukhong, Ward number 13, was detained. He revealed that he had joined RPF PLA in 1998 undergoing 6 months of BMT training in Myanmar, Singh confessed to extorting a total of 1,20,000 rupees from the public and government officials in Nambol, Bisnupur and Ningthaukong areas in September 2024. In addition to the arrest, security forces conducted extensive search operations and area domination in vulnerable areas across the hill and valley districts of Manipur. During a search operation in the general area of Duthang Laiching, Treg under Technopole Police Station, Technopole District security forces recovered a significant case of weapons and ammunition. Among the items seized were one 9mm pistol with a magazine, one AK-47 with a magazine, country-made, one .303 rifle, country-made, one 12-bore rifle, country-made, 80 rounds of 12-bore rifle cartridges, 6 live rounds of 9mm, 40 live rounds of 7.62 mm, and 3 live rounds of 7.65 mm. In another operation conducted at Phogak Chau Mamang Lekai, near the banks of Khuga River under Phogak Chau Ikai Police Station, Bisnupur District, authorities discovered a range of explosive and firearms. The recovered items included one AK-47 rifle with a magazine loaded with 5 live rounds, one 2-inch mortar, 2 SMG carbines with empty magazines, 2 country-made 9mm pistol with magazines, 3 hand grenades without detonators, 2 IED explosives, 20 explosive gelatin sticks, and 5 live rounds of 9mm. Additionally, security forces seized 2 IEDs, one weighing 4 kg and another 2 kg, along with approximately 35 meters of cortex from Moirangpurel, Kunau Lekai, and the Thaubal Dam Police Station, Impal East District. These operations are a testament to the continued efforts of security agencies to disrupt illegal arms and explosives trafficking and dismantle insurgent networks operating in the region. The government under the leadership of Chief Minister Viren Singh remains steadfast in its commitment to supporting local farmers. By continuing the distribution of seeds and sapling from seasonal crops, the administration aims to empower farmers and pave the way for a self-reliant and prosperous Manipur as part of the Atmanirbhar initiative. In a recent social media post, the Chief Minister celebrated the success of crops thriving in Wangu, Sadangkhong and Moidangpok, cultivated by local youth using seeds provided under the Economic Revival Mission. He praised the hard work and dedication of these young farmers whose efforts have turned the initiative into a remarkable success. Through sustained support for agriculture initiatives, the government is ensuring the Manipur's farmers are equipped to thrive, fostering long-term self-sufficiency and economic prosperity for the state. In an address on the floor of the Lok Sabha, MP Dr. Bimal Akuzum expressed disappointment that the President's speech did not mention the ongoing crisis in Manipur. He had hoped the government would outline the steps being taken to address the issues and the tragedy unfolding in the state. However, he criticized the government for its approach, accusing it of arrogance and of attempting to make the crisis invisible both to the rest of the country and to the international community. Dr. Akuzum further remarked that while the President's speech spoke of efforts to unite all people, the reality was that the current government did not believe in inclusive politics. He referenced Baba Saheb Ambedkar's vision of the Constitution, emphasizing that its true spirit would only come to life through the way it is practiced and implemented.
And the CM says, for instance, that some part of Manipur is under my command and some part of the state is under the Union Home Minister. Can you imagine the Chief Minister of Maharashtra saying, Mumbai is under my control and the rest of Maharashtra is under the union government? That is an illegal subversion of the constitutional mechanism and democracy in this country in the 75 years of our experience. That is the subversions that we have experienced. We don't realize this. The Chief Minister ordered something, the Central Security Forces refused to obey the order. And there are images where the Central Armed Forces stopped the Manipur police from responding to armed attacks on innocent villagers. This complete chaos is what we witnessed in the 75th year of the constitutions, on which we have given lectures and bhashans in this house as well.
BJP spokesperson M. Suresh has raised concern over the recent speech by Lok Sabha MP Angomcha Bimol Akoizam in Parliament. Speaking to the media at Thambal Sanglen, the BJP head office in Imphal, Suresh described Bimol's statement suggesting the formation of a joint parliamentary committee to investigate the cause of the ongoing conflict in Manipur as unfortunate, and criticized the MP for appearing unaware of the root causes of the crisis. He questioned Bimol's comment regarding the involvement of some militants in the valley nurtured by political leaders, asking what he meant by the statement and further implied that Bimol's speech painted him as an adversary of the village volunteers. Suresh also warned that if the Armed Forces Special Power Act were imposed in the state due to such remarks, Bimol should be held accountable. He criticized Bimol for not addressing the issue of the killing of 3 women and 3 children in Jirebam last November, and for failing to mention it during his speech. Suresh also took aim at the Congress party, accusing them of seeking political gain through support from the 10 Cookie Joe MLAs, and asserting that the Congress should stop using the situation for political advantage. He countered Bimol's allegation that Chief Minister N. Viren Singh had not taken sufficient action, stating that Article 355 is currently in effect in Manipur, placing law and order under the control of the central government. Meanwhile, the BJP Manipur also accused the Congress party of being the root cause of the ongoing conflict in the state, attributing it to the policies implemented during its long tenure in power. BJP Manipur General Secretary K. Sarat, while speaking to reporters, claimed that Congress was responsible for the issues Manipur is facing today, including the hardship endured by its people. He questioned the reason behind the opposition's engagement in a suspension of operations with external groups and the establishment of militant camps across the Imphal Valley, suggesting that the Congress played a key role in these actions. Sadat further criticized the Congress for its ongoing criticism of the Prime Minister, stating that the party often claims that the Prime Minister has not visited Manipur or addressed the state's concerns. He pointed out that Congress leader Rahul Gandhi had yet to speak out or condemn the killings of 3 children and 3 women in the Jirebam district. He also highlighted that during Union Home Minister Amit Shah's 3-day visit to the state in 2023, Congress leaders were invited to attend discussions, but none of them showed up. Sarat emphasized that Congress' continued rhetoric in the streets and localities would not contribute to a solution.
Aku state macam macam khaidupa union tu macam macam khaidupa ya report orang aku state European dah kali betul sambil mana, itu kan tu bilang mana, cikgu sendiri kan tu, BJP itu macam ni kerja sendiri lagi, mami mau tu ni 1980 dah kau itu tu sendiri, aduh, mana aduh ni posisi tanam betul mana mereka ngasih mana pun pasal yang kau yang ni, cikgu kan tu orang mana, aku orang dalam lagi parti ni tahu.
Holding in between, let's have a short break. We'll be back with more news and updates.
ISCOM Media Private Limited की LCO सिंह द खंगन जबा नोटिस असिना ऑफिस ता पैसा थिरक तबा LCO सिंह की ऑफिस तगी लौबा मेन लाइन सिंह यारक तबा मतमदा ऑफिस ना ताई तेलौ सेरोय लेबिरिबा LCO सिंह ना थागी थिफम थोपा पैसा अदु था खुदिंगी तांग तरा मंगा फावगी मनुंदा थिदोक पियु तांग तरा मंगा की मनुंदा थिरक तबा तारगदे मथंगी थंगबा निमित्ता अदोम अदोम की पोर्टल सिंह थिंजिनजरगनी ड्यू लेबा LCO सिंह ना फेब्रुअरी था फावगी मनुंदा सेंदोक पियु Sengdokpidaba taragadi adom gi portal sing office tagi thingjinjaragani khanghanjariba ISCOM Media Private Limited. ISCOM Media
Once again, welcome back to ISCOM News. Let's see the news once again. In a historic moment for Manipur, the Imphal Ring Road project has officially commenced, marking a significant milestone in the state's infrastructure development. The announcement was made by Work Minister K. Govindas on his social media handles, where he credited the tireless efforts of Chief Minister N. Biren Singh in bringing the long-awaited project to life. The foundation stone for the Imphal Ring Road project was laid by Chief Minister Viren on January 29, 2024. First conceptualized in 2013-14 with assistance from the Asian Development Bank (ADB, the project faced delays due to the land disputes. In 2020, a revised proposal was approved, securing a loan of 915 crore rupees from the ADB. The budget was later revised in 2023 to 1,374.45 crore rupees. The total project cost is 1,766 crore rupees, with 1,374.75 crore rupees in ADB assistance, 90% grant and 10% loan. The Indian government will bear the loan interest. The Imphal Ring Road project will span a total length of 51.23 km. Of these, 9.675 km will be developed as a 4-lane road with an 18-meter wide, while 41.555 km will consist of 2-lane roads with paved shoulders, ranking in wide from 14 to 16.80 meters. Additionally, above 17 km of the road will be constructed in a greenfield area. In an urgent executive committee meeting, the All Manipur Bar Association (AMBA) has unanimously decided to cease the membership of Advocate Kangzam Birendra Singh, President of AMBA FC, and Advocate Yandrembam Kiran Singh, Treasurer of AMBA FC. The decision comes in response to an inquiry report dated December 7, 2024, submitted by the inquiry committee chaired by Khaidem Mani Advocate, highlighting their failure to comply with directions to submit written statements on affidavit and account statements related to their participation in the Nations Cup at Saint-Tropez, France. The report revealed that despite repeated opportunities given by the inquiry committee, Kangzam Birendra Singh and Yandrembam Kiran Singh did not submit the required documents, leaving the committee unable to conclude its findings. The Executive Committee of AMBA cited sufficient grounds under the by-law to pass the resolution, deeming their actions prejudicial to the interests of the association. The Federation of Indigenous Peoples Democratic Movement (FIDM) has announced an indefinite ban on Vihan Direct Selling India Private Limited, also known as QNet, due to concerns over its business practices in Manipur. FIDM President Wahengbam Santa Maite criticized the company for promoting a multi-level marketing MLM model that he deemed unsuitable for the state's economically disadvantaged population. Santa Maite alleges that QNet preys on vulnerable groups, including job seekers and individuals from remote areas, by entishing them with promises of lucrative job opportunities and high returns on investment. He accused the company of employing deceptive tactics to recruit and convince people to invest large sums of money without delivering on its promises. The FIDM president called for stronger action from relevant authorities to prevent the spread of such fraudulent schemes in Manipur and protect its citizens from exploitation.
Bagi date 7 dagi horaga ngasi fawda Vihan Direct Selling India Private Limited QNet ase pandana laksabani maramdi masigi kyungnya sigi marum sida akhoi tamjaraba khungdangi isinino loina na akhoi thabak thiraga leijariba job seeker naha singa masi ten fraud sit tawiraga asoba mangba nam ullaga masi chathaduna lae haje akhoi matam sanga thigatlaga lakone ngasi akhoi Bihar Direct India Private Limited QNet haiba business company si akhoi pidam gi maikai dagi matam kaktana athingba thamjare.
In collaboration with Mizoram Police, apprehended 2 individuals in the general area of Edenthar on the Aijol-Sairang Road, Aijol in Mizoram. During the operation, security forces recovered 800 detonators and 2,000 galatine sticks. The apprehended persons, along with the seized items, have been handed over to Mizoram Police for further investigation. Once again, the headlines. Security forces arrest 11 individuals, 10 of them insurgents, seize firearms, ammunition, explosives and recover stolen vehicles in multiple operations. CM and Viren reaffirms commitment to empowering local farmers by distributing seeds and saplings for seasonal crops, driving Atma Di Bahar Manipur initiative. MP Bimola Koizam criticizes President's speech for ignoring Manipur crisis, accuses government of arrogance and failing to embrace inclusive politics. Minister Govindas announces that the Imphal Ring Road project has officially begun, marking a major milestone for Manipur's infrastructure. Thank you for watching ISCOM News. Keep watching ISCOM News for more news and updates. Stay safe and have a nice day.